Have you ever talked out loud about a specific product and 5 minutes later, an ad for that exact product pops up on your phone? You are not crazy, and it is not a coincidence. Out of the box, your smartphone has factory default settings enabled that literally allow background apps to access your microphone, record your conversations, and send that data back to the internet, even when your screen is completely turned off and the phone is sitting in your pocket. Welcome back to the Software Navigator. I'm Tony. When I'm taking private business calls down here in Cancun, I absolutely cannot have my phone acting as a hot mic for third-party trackers. Today, I am going to show you the step-by-step process to rip these hidden permissions out of your device and completely sever your phone's ability to listen to you. First, we are going to target the native voice recorder app, which is often exploited by background processes to capture audio silently. Open your phone's main settings. Go to Apps, and open your App Management or All Apps list. Search for Voice Recorder, then tap it. Scroll down and open the battery settings. By default, this is set to Optimized or Unrestricted, which means the app is legally allowed to run in the background while your phone is asleep. Change this to Restricted. You just killed its ability to operate silently in the background. Go back one screen and tap on Data Usage, or Mobile Data. Look at the toggle for background data. It is likely turned on. Stop and ask yourself a logical question. Why does a local, offline voice recording app need a constant, silent connection to the internet? It doesn't. Unless it is sending data off your device, turn that toggle completely off. Go back and tap on Permissions. Tap on Microphone. If you actually use this app to record voice memos, change the permission to Ask Every Time. If you never use this app, change it to Don't Allow. If you ever need it again, the phone will ask for your permission. Finally, go back to the main voice recorder app info page and scroll all the way to the bottom. Look for a setting labeled Modify System Settings or Change System Settings. By default, this is usually allowed, meaning the app can literally turn settings back on without your permission. Turn this off. You have now officially revoked its power to override your privacy choices. And just like that, your microphone is disabled and your conversations are private again. If you want to take your smartphone security to the absolute maximum level, I have put together a completely free Mobile Shield guide. It is a checklist of every hidden privacy setting you need to disable on your phone today. Grab that free download from the link right at the top of the description. But listen, stopping your phone's microphone from spying on you means absolutely nothing if your primary email account is actively reading and scanning your private messages. Right now, a hidden AI setting inside Gmail is analyzing your bank statements and ID details to build a profile on you. Click the video on your screen right now titled, "If you use Gmail, turn this off now." I am going to walk you through the exact 60-second backdoor purge you must apply to blind Google's AI and secure your inbox. Click right there. Make sure you are subscribed to the Software Navigator, and I'll see you over in that video.